We've officially cleared the first major baby step in a real-life Star Trek The Next Generation holodeck. Researchers from University of Pennsylvania School of Engineering and Applied Science have created a system to generate interactive 3D environments fittingly dubbed Holodeck. These are language-guided 3D embodied AI indoor environments capable of virtually infinite iterations. Everything from a one-bedroom, one-bath apartment of a researcher who has a cat, a small hospital room with a wheelchair, or an arcade room with a pool table in the middle. Their hope is to use Holodeck to help robots learn to safely navigate unfamiliar environments, but my hope is solving murder mysteries with data dressed as Sherlock Holmes. Hey, so here's how fruit flies walk. Researchers at the Champalimaud Foundation in Lisbon, Portugal, stuck fruit flies on a tiny treadmill to study the adaptive motor controls of the little Drosophila. They specifically wanted to see how they overcome obstacles. They learned that they can walk up to 50 millimeters per second, but absolutely will not run backwards. The overall win for science here is using this miniature treadmill to further study insect locomotion moving forward. And the big win to me is bug treadmills are funny. This is the latest in science news. This is MindBlow. It's time to get rid of your dumb face and get a smart one. A team at the Department of Material Science and Engineering at Ulsan National Institute of Science and Technology have created the world's first real-time wearable human emotion recognition device. It's called the Personalized Skin Integrated Facial Interface, and it uses a technique called friction charging, which allows for the generation of positive and negative charges based on friction. It's also connected to a Bluetooth device to transmit data. They've used it to detect facial muscle deformation as well as vocal cord vibrations, and believe it can one day be applied to VR environments, or maybe even used as a kind of remote control on your face, so that my future robot maid will know that my face is sad and will bring me a hot dog. But what if you want your robot to smile back at you? Then you need Emo, a robot developed at Columbia University who can predict a human smile 839 milliseconds before it happens and return the gesture. Emo has eyeball cameras that detect human expressions, and then it can mirror those expressions back with 26 actuators. They trained Emo by having it analyze about 800 videos, and in thousands of tests, it was able to predict and recreate the human facial expression with 70% accuracy. The next steps are giving Emo some lips and also integrating chatbot capabilities so this lovely blue head can carry on a conversation. A light-powered pacemaker may be a game changer in the battle against the world's leading cause of death. Over 2 million people per year have open-heart surgery, and researchers at the University of Chicago Pritzker School of Molecular Engineering have spent years developing what may be the future of heart treatment. Their flexible pacemaker transforms light into bioelectricity. It's thinner than a human hair and is made of a silicon membrane and optic fiber. It's less invasive to implant, much more precise in targeting specific areas of the heart, and for now, they're not only continuing to research its viability in humans, but also exploring the potential of photoelectroceuticals in non-cardiac treatments. So like maybe putting one of these in your brain could be helpful. We've got robots playing soccer. Finally, Google DeepMind scientists were able to train these bipedal Robotis OP3 miniature humanoid robots using a deep reinforcement learning framework. Basically, it combines different AI training systems. The robo-footballers were faster using this AI framework than a scripted baseline controller, and displayed emergent behaviors like recovering from falls and tactics like defending the ball against an opponent. Their success in one-on-one soccer has the team hoping to ramp up to 2-on-2 and perhaps someday all the way up to the World RoboCup. Now say hello to the world's fastest camera. The new device captures 156 trillion frames per second, and researchers at the National Institute of Scientific Research in Quebec City say it'll allow us to see phenomena never before accessible. It works using a chirped laser, which won the Nobel Prize in Physics 6 years ago, to record in femtoseconds, which is 1/4,000,000th of a second. and they believe this camera could be used to revolutionize everything from the medical industry to computers, such as recording how cells react to ultrasound shockwaves. No word yet on what Smarter Everyday would do with it, but hopefully we can get Destin over to Quebec City to record in femtoseconds. And now for the CoCo 2, the color computer from 1984. Thanks to my patrons for supporting MindBlow. MindBlow is a Patreon-supported program. Click the link below and join us today.
CoCo 2, the color computer with personality from Radio Shack. Sale price for Christmas giving from $149.95.
Radio Shack's CoCo 2, do what you want to do, just you and CoCo 2.